Hey everybody, this is a review of the Schwinn IC4 indoor fitness bike. I've been using this for about 2 years now as an alternative into going into the gym when it's just too busy or I'm in a rush to get to work and I don't have time to go to the gym and get in a full workout. I've been using this again for about 2 years. It has been pretty solid so far. The noise on this is pretty numb. Don't really hear a whole lot when you're pedaling. It was super easy to set up. The sturdiness is pretty solid. Even when I'm on it, the bike doesn't shake around, so it's very sturdy. Handling as well, it does feel as good as a Peloton, if not even better. It does turn on automatically once you plug it into the wall, and that cord is on the bottom right there. So once you start pedaling, again, super quiet. Once you start pedaling, that screen is going to turn on and it's going to start recording the workout. There are a couple options for Bluetooth as well as different settings and knobs and restarts. You also have a nice little holder right here for your phone or tablet or computer. Handlebars are super nice. They have a nice grip on it. It feels really good. The seat is also pretty good as well. I have a little cushion on the top. I have a sensitive bottom, so anytime I'm sitting on the seat for longer than about 20 minutes, it starts to get sore. So added in a nice little cushion to help get in an hour workout. The pedals feel pretty good. They have a nice little holder here for your feet, so it works out pretty well with adjustments. You also have an option to plug in any kind of device that uses USB to whatever you need. A couple water holders, and the knob to adjust the friction of the pedals in case you want to go light or heavy. And then an additional knob right here in case you want to adjust your seat and set the seat back or forwards. One thing I will note, so I set this up incorrectly the first time around. So I have a little piece of tape here because I'm missing a screw that goes right over here. So mine's a little bit shaky when I ride it, but definitely if you set it up correctly and you actually follow the instructions, you'll have a screw that goes right in there and you won't have the same issue I'm having. So pretty easy to fix once you get a screw and you're all good to go. But overall, I'd say this is a really solid bike for the price. Really good compatibility, really good experiences so far. Haven't had any issues other than my own, so I'd say probably for the price, it's a very good experience.